Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome back to GIE. This is a very important video. If you understand this video, then teaching the Tashil book, it's gonna be super easy and a student will get the most benefit of this book, which is the lesson plan. So I request you should open book, this page, which is mentioned the 7 levels of the Tashil Qaidah book. Then you have to match the video with the lesson plan. Okay, so all 7 lesson plan a teacher must have in their mind before they start teaching, and a teacher must understand and how smoothly step by step we are moving forward with a student to teach the qaida and to achieve how to recite Quran with tajweed. So in level 1, we are focusing only 29 letters. A student will memorize 29 letters with this letter song, and from there a student going to focus on 3 types of special letters also in level 1. Plus, we are going to use development 1. Only 3 groups. Group 1, 2, 3 to learn accurate pronunciation, and they are going to learn ID song. Within ID song, they are going to play letter game. By letter game, they will recognize the letters as well as they can avoid the confusion between the similar looking letters. In level 2, we are focusing on 2 main topics. One is 5 sounds in 3 position, as well as we already started learning 29 Arabic letters. So a student will learn a beautiful song for 5 sounds in every class, 2 or 3 lines. It's very nice and interesting song. It's covered and is help to memorize all 5 sounds used for Quran recitation, as well as all basic tajweed rules, very well organized under each sound. And a student will learn one acting lesson, which will help them to have a better idea about 5 sounds in 3 position. Finally, pillar 5 sounds game. A student going to have a real basic idea on 5 sounds used and need for Quran recitation in level 2. And they will learn extra more 3 group from development 1, group 4, 5, and 6. In level 3, a student will continue to memorize the pillar 3, a beautiful song for the 5 sounds and all basic tajweed rules. And they will continue to learn more 3 groups from development 1, group 7, 8, 9. We think that they will be done, alhamdulillah, to learn all 29 letters. One main topic done very nicely. An additional lesson will be this one, development 2, which has 2 chapters. In chapter 1, using one lesson, they are going to develop 2 things. The 5 sounds used in Quran recitation will be more strong, as well as 3 types of special letters will be more accurate. So far, until level 3, a student, alhamdulillah, have done all 29 letters very strongly, and they have very strong exercise and idea on 5 sounds in 3 position. Now level 4, they are going to start a details exercise on all 5 sounds. So in level 4, we are going to cover only short and 1 second long. And another special lesson they will cover is called similar sounding letters. Most of the people, they do mistake in similar sounding letters. Those letters who are very similar in sound and in pronunciation. So there are 7 groups of similar sounding letters. a student going to learn them and they will have a real exercise on them. No other Qaida book covered this lesson. Another interesting thing, this lesson will be without a spelling. Our goal is a student going to have idea from now slowly how to recite without a spelling. They are going to learn from here a little bit. Until level 4, students have done exercise of short sound, 6 1 second long. Now in level 5, they are going to focus exercise of 3 to 5 seconds longer. Another lesson, nasal sound. And from 7 important tajweed rules, actually they already learn tajweed rules 1, 2, 3. They are going to learn tajweed rules 4 also, the 4 types of gunna rules. They are going to memorize here in level 5. And next, the level 6, a student is going to finish last 2 sound, which is only catch and catch and read. And they will learn more 2 tajweed rules, which are rules 6, lam in the word of Allah, and another rules, the 5 rules of waqf. So by the end of level 6, they are done with the details exercise of all 5 sounds. Short, 6 1 second long, 3 to 5 seconds longer, nasal sound, only catch, catch and read. At the end of level 6, they are done with all 7 important tajweed rules also. The next, actually level 7, which is the revision of all 5 sounds from beginning without a spelling. Without a spelling, and it will have 2 part. In the syllabus, if you see, it's going to have 2 part. In part 1, you're going to have exercise without a spelling, but with tajweed explanation only for short and for 6 1 second long and 3 to 5 seconds longer. From tajweed side, a student going to cover 3 additional tajweed rules. So in part 1, level 7, they will cover 3 sound as well as other side 3 additional tajweed rules. And in part 2, they will do exercise without a spelling again for nasal sound, only catch and read. And other side, they have to cover all 10 tajweed rules. 7 important tajweed rules, 3 additional tajweed rules. So at the end of level 7, a student will be ready for final test of entire Tashil Qaidah book. And after finishing that, inshallah, you'll see a student have ability to recite any word from Quran, from anywhere, with details tajweed explanation. I hope this video, if you understand, then using Tashil book will be super easy and a student will gain the most benefit of this book, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.